First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. We are here to see her, we're expecting her. His Excellency, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Tajudeen Abbas, PhD, GCON, ably represented by Honorable Patrick Umar. His Excellency, the Speaker of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Barrister Nigerianpolitics, CON. His Excellency, the former Governor of Nasarawa State, our own chairman of this occasion. We are proud of you. Distinguished Senator Tanko Umar Amakura, the Honorable Minister of Housing and Urban Development, a free, media-friendly Honorable Minister. We are proud of you. Thank you very much. Architect Ahmed Dangiwa. The Inspector General of Police, IGP Ebetoku, ably represented here. The National President, Nigerian Union of Journalists, Comrade Alassane Yaya, who is unavoidably absent and ably represented by the VP Zone D, Momo Adiza, National President, Comrade Joe Ajero of NLC, Nigerian Labour Congress, our own President. We also have the Grand Patron to be decorated of the NUJ FCT. We have Chief Hilad Etta here present with us. Please, a round of applause. Former Chairman of Council, my predecessors who are here today, and we're here to say thank you for all you've done for the NUJ FCT. Please permit me not to just start calling your names one after the other. We are proud of you all. Thank you for coming. Chairman of chapels, secretaries, members of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, other stakeholders who are here present, we sincerely appreciate your coming today. It gives me great pleasure to extend heartfelt goodwill to distinguished members and leadership of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, Federal Capital Territory Council. Okay, thank you. The National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, ably represented here. Thank you very much. Thank you. Our union stands as a pillar of democracy and a beacon for ethical journalism within our nation's capital. The FCT NUJ's unwavering commitment to professionalism, integrity, and the welfare of journalists not only strengthens public trust in the media, but also reinforces the values of accountability and transparency that we cherish in our democratic institutions. I commend our council under my able leadership. Please, a round of applause. For our continued effort in upholding these values, promoting unity and fostering an inclusive environment for all. We are gathered here not merely to mark a date on the calendar, but to honor the enduring relevance of journalism in shaping our democracy, informing our citizens, and preserving the values that bind our society together. Press Week is much more than a celebration. It is a period of reflection, recognition, renewal, and yes, relaxation. It is our time to take stock of where we are today, where we have been, and where we must go. In the past year, we have witnessed extraordinary shifts in the global and local media space, advancement of technology, the rise of artificial intelligence, the deepening of social media influence, and unfortunately, the persistent challenges of disinformation, censorship, economic pressures, and threats to press freedom. In the face of these headwinds, members have remained resilient, holding the line, telling the stories that matter, and ensuring the public's right to know. And today, we pause to reflect on that labor, on our sacrifices, and on the many untold efforts behind every headline, broadcast, or byline. Yet, reflection must be followed by action. As a union, we must be more than spectators of change. We must be architects of progress. It is in this spirit that I unveil several key priorities projects, which we will pursue vigorously during this tenure. Initiatives designed to uplift, support, and empower journalists in the FCT. First, modernization of the NUJ FCT Congress Hall. We envision a facility that reflects the dignity of our profession, a modern one for that matter, fully equipped, space for training, dialogue, and event. Journalists are not beggars. We are the conscience of the society. We are the mirror of the society. We are the watchdog of a society. And so we should be treated with utmost priority, and our work environment should be top-notch. Secondly, we are looking forward to a procurement of a Union Coastal Bus to improve logistics and mobility for assignment and official engagement. We're also looking forward to the completion of the NUJ Pentagon Hall, a strategic infrastructure that will serve as a hub for conferences, workshops, and civic discourse. Establishment of a journalist welfare scheme addressing critical needs such as healthcare, emergency financial assistance, and social protection, because no journalist should suffer in silence. Development of the NUJ Journalist Village, which is so passionate for me, a long-awaited housing initiative in collaboration with the Ministry of Housing and the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. Our goal is simple: provide decent, affordable homes for journalists. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those against it say nay. Thank you. Our goal is simple: to provide decent, affordable homes for journalists and their families in the heart of the nation's capital. These projects are not skyrocketed. These projects are not luxuries. They are fundamental investment in the future of journalism and in the well-being of those who power it. I'm using this opportunity to call on government, stakeholders, media practitioners, partners, and friends of the Union to join us in making this dream a reality. As part of this press week, we also recognize and celebrate excellence. I warmly congratulate our awardees, individuals who have made remarkable contributions to journalism, public service, and national development. I believe your recognition today is not just an honor, it is a call to do more. Let us not forget Press Week is also a time to unwind, reconnect, and build ourselves. From symposia to novelty marches, health walks, to gala night, this week offers a much-needed breather from the rigors of the beats. Let us embrace every moment, not only for ourselves, but to remind the nation that behind every press pass is a human being, deserving of dignity, joy, and respect. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our special guests, whose presence today elevates this occasion. Your support affirms that journalism is not alone in this journey. You are our partners in progress, and we do not take your solidarity for granted. Dear colleagues, journalism is not a crime. True or false? Journalism is not just a profession, it is a calling. I'm proud to be a journalist. I don't know about you. Thank you. In this era of uncertainty and flux, we owe it a duty to recommit to the principles that brought us here together, which is truth, integrity, courage, and service. By the grace of God, we shall rise to meet the demands of a changing world and ensure that the press remains an independent, vibrant, and essential voice in our democracy. Press freedom is non-negotiable. Press freedom is not a privilege, it is a right. True or false? And so we deserve the best. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Once again, I want to appreciate everybody here and also say thank you to the Chinese embassy who is here. Thank you to honorable members, my constituency, and thank you everyone. And I wish us all a fruitful deliberation. Thank you very much.
Please can we put our hands together especially for this woman. This woman is humble yet powerful. Her leadership is a testament to power of grace, and under pressure, she still stands. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you can see the screen. You can watch if you can't see what is happening here. This is the moment of transformation. I want to appeal. Mr. Chairman, will you want our chairman to stay near you, sir? The first spokesperson of the force, please. We need to hear your voice on this matter. Please put your hands together for him. That's the man who gave me recommendation to join the police. I didn't know that I need to march. So, Mr. Chairman, sir, this is, you will help us unveil to see what is inside, and then afterwards. Actually, this thing here is the point of our transformation. We just know that with this magazine, we can build that home. With this magazine, we can buy buses. She said 1 bus, but I know that we need 4 buses. With the caliber of people here, we can't do 1 bus. It will be reducing your capacity, sir. Please, can we put our hands together for you?
Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, distinguished invited guests, very distinguished journalists here present, leaders, past leaders, present and future leaders of the journalists. It's my great pleasure and privilege for this august guest to unveil what is before us and to urge us to commend the NUJ FCT for a job well done. I want to assure you that everyone here is impressed, not just about your perfection in the organization of this week, but the rich activities that go with it. I want to congratulate you and on behalf of all of us, unveil the magazine. And I urge us to see what we can do to encourage, support the NUJ FCT Council so that it can continue to deliver the best they can. Not forgetting my speech. The 4th estate of the land are part and parcel of the government. And I urge you to continue the good work, because this government belongs not only to the executive, not only to the legislature, not only to the judiciary, but also to the journalists. Therefore, all of us, kindly join me to unveil this wonderful magazine.
Member of the FCT, NUJ Council, that's some very light years away. I'm also, of course, a journalist, and had to leave Ladikwali Hall, where the grouping awards were taking place, because I saw virtually every media person was there, and I said, this place needs support. So that's what I mean. My charge is that beyond this magazine, there is a dearth of books by journalists. I have written 2 books. When you look at it, you don't have up to 100 books by journalists with critical events over decades. I want to be invited next time to launch a book by this chapter by one of our journalists. 3 of you to write it, 4 of you to write it, and I will support that. Because you do such great work, you are with us in the capital city, and we appreciate your support for government. When we reach out to you for understanding, we do get an understanding. A few times we have a disagreement, and then we settle. So they have a support, not for copies, but we support your efforts with 1 million.